Binance isn't just the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, it's actually a financial ecosystem. And in 2025, Binance has continued to dominate the space by offering traders, investors, developers, and NFT enthusiasts a one-stop crypto hub, right? So whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned whale, this in-depth review will help you decide whether Binance is the best exchange for your needs. So if you like the kind of content, hit that like, subscribe, make sure you sign up with the link down below, and let's get started without wasting any time, right? So Binance supports over 500 plus cryptocurrencies, over 1,300 trading pairs. Fees are as low as 0.00825 for you. That's a percentage on fees. For VIP users, you've got 2FA cold storage, address whitelisting for security, various trading options like spot, futures, margin, copy, P2P, and you also have bots. You've got a platform here that's Web3 ready, built with Web3 or in Web3 wallets, right? dApp support as well for DeFi, earning opportunities here with the launch pool with Simple Earn and BNB Vault. And you also have licensing, most regulated exchange in 2025 across the world, available in over 180 countries. And also Binance US is available for US traders. If you want to get started and sign up and get a welcome bonus, $6,000, make sure you sign up with the link in the description with the referral code and get started, right? So I'm just going to give you a little bit breakdown for those that are new to crypto. Perhaps you haven't heard about Binance. It's an exchange that's been in existence since 2017, founded by CZ and Yeehee, and really became quickly the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It also has its own native token, a BNB, and a native blockchain, which is BSC chain, and really an advanced product suite here, more than just your average exchange, right? So some of the pros and cons, I think, like I said, you can literally have over 500 plus cryptocurrencies that are supported, over 1,300 pairs, up to 10x leverage on margin and futures. You've got, I think, industry low fees, 0.1% for or less, right? NFT, DeFi, staking, bots, trading support, fiat, onboarding as well. Over 30 currencies. They will, help you get into the ecosystem much easier than most platforms. But of course, very regulated. Binance US much more limited, complex UI for beginners also sometimes, and customer support delays, they are large. And key features, I would say, with Binance, multiple trading options. There you got spot trading, over 1,300 pairs, BTC, USDT, ETH, and all that good stuff. Futures, perpetuals, margin trading, you can go up to 125x. Leverage, copy and grid trading, P2P, buy and sell directly with other users as well. You got Binance Earn, where you can earn flexible or fixed APRs, and the Binance Vault auto investment products, available launch pool where you can stake your BNB tokens to earn new token rewards. They also have Launchpad with mega drops, access to early stage tokens via their initial exchange offerings, and also just participation in exclusive airdrops and completing simple tasks on the platform. NFT marketplace where you can mint, buy, and sell NFTs from top creators, participate in the initial game offerings. We've got the Binance wallet. You can swap, bridge, interacts with other dApps, cross-chain compatible, MPC, multi-party computation, and it's powered. Trading on Binance is also, very interesting. Trading modes include spot, where you can buy standard, buy and sell at market or limit price orders. The futures, advanced traders can speculate on future prices, margin, amplifying your positions with borrowed funds. And you also can convert, which is instant swapping with no charts and complexity here. Strategy bots, where you can create automated grid, DCA AI driven bots. All right, so the fees breakdowns, like I said, regular maker taker fee 0.1%, and BNB users or holders of the token get 0.075%. make a taker. VIP on the level 9 get 0.00825% on the maker, 0.01725% on the taker fees in there. That's for spot trading. On the futures fees, you know, you got the USD margin. You got 0.02% on the maker, taker fees 0.05%, and 0.01% on the maker, 0.05% on the Coinema futures fees. They also deposit and withdrawals, you know, fees are very low, sometimes free as well. Fiat deposits obviously free, crypto deposits, but free to low cost fiat deposits. Crypto withdrawals are dynamic based on network loads. So, you know, it's all that kind of stuff, very secure 2FA. Like I said, end-to-end data encryption, cold storage, secure asset fund for users, which is the insurance pool, SAFU. They are also CCSS compliant. That's the cryptocurrency security standard. They've had a couple of breaches over time, but nothing too hectic that they haven't been able to solve on the user side. So a Web3 ecosystem that's also burgeoning. They, you know, are regulated in various jurisdictions in France, Lithuania, Japan, Singapore, things like that. How to use Binance is very easy, man. Create an account using the link down below. Use my referral code. You know, make sure you verify email, set your 2FA, deposit your funds, do your KYC, and you'll be able to trade a lot of different pairs. Is Binance safe? It has been proven to be safe. It is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now. If you're a beginner, this is a great one to get onboarded on. If you're a crypto trader who's been using other exchanges but want to try all the different offerings that you can get by using Binance, and this is something to look into. Let me know what you guys think. If I've missed out on anything special that you like to use Binance for, let me know. Like and share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Make sure you check out the links to all the exchanges that I like, in addition to also my books. And also, if you're into Web3 betting, go check out smartcontractbets.xyz. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, man. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.